engineer.
Everybody clap for him.
The great and terrible. Who are you? You are the most splendid cosmopolitan audience ever.
Did you hear? Did you hear?
Religion of song.
Welcome to Oz. Are you visiting us from out of town?
Yes.
Oh, are you enjoying yourself so far? Make yourself right at home, sir. Isn't that the wizard? The great Wizard of Oz. The Yellow Brick Road is now finished. A wonderful feat of engineerification. You want to take the Yellow Brick Road? It takes you directly to the wizard himself at the palace. It's the best place. He can grant your heart's desire. This is how the wizard came to Emerald City. Isn't it amazing? Yes, we're just celebrating the wizard. What a brilliant entrance, don't you think, May?
Let's do like a turn around. Oh, everybody clap for him. Clap, bravo, I love you. Okay, all right, let's smile to the camera, everybody. Smile.
Clear the street for Gina, please. Thank you.
Linda, and the wizard who set the stage for your next adventures here at Sentosa. But now, we are at Weave, Resort World Sentosa's lifestyle hub. And this is where we weave different experiences.
Wasn't that special, everyone? Now, in case you haven't noticed, most of you are seated right now on that famous yellow brick road. And that's what we're going to follow now to see the charming and whimsical Munchkin Land, the Emerald City Express, and discover the secrets of the Grimmery.